Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to ChatGPT, the powerful language model developed by OpenAI. This model has the ability to understand and respond to natural language inputs, generate high-quality text, and even create entire conversations. We're going to take a deep dive into the capabilities of ChatGPT and show you how it's being used in various industries. From question answering to summarization and sentiment analysis, ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with computers and technology. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. First on our list of ChatGPT's capabilities is language understanding. This is perhaps one of the most important features of the model, as it allows users to interact with it in a natural, human-like way. Imagine being able to have a conversation with a computer and having it understand exactly what you're saying. That's exactly what ChatGPT can do. One of the biggest benefits of this capability is the ability to create chatbots and virtual assistants that can understand and respond to customer queries, making customer service more efficient and personalized. It can also be used in industries such as finance, healthcare, and retail to automate and improve customer interactions. In addition, language understanding also opens up new opportunities for natural language processing, allowing users to analyze large amounts of text data and gain valuable insights. This can be beneficial in fields such as market research and social media analysis. Overall, ChatGPT's language understanding capability is a game changer for anyone looking to improve communication and automate processes. It's no wonder that it's at the forefront of the language model technology. Second capability in our list is text generation. Have you ever struggled to come up with the perfect words for an email or social media post? Or maybe you're a writer looking for inspiration for your next story. Well, the solution to your problems is here. ChatGPT, the large language model developed by OpenAI, can generate human-like text that can be used for a variety of tasks. One of the most popular uses for ChatGPT is in the world of content creation. Whether you're a blogger, a marketer, or a business owner, you know how important it is to have a steady stream of fresh and engaging content. But creating new content can be time-consuming and sometimes, it can be hard to come up with new ideas. That's where ChatGPT comes in. With its ability to generate high-quality text, you can have new blog posts, product descriptions, or social media updates in minutes. But text generation isn't just for content creators. It can also be used by students and researchers to quickly generate reports, summaries, and even essays. Imagine being able to finish your school or research work in half the time it used to take. ChatGPT can also be used for more creative tasks, such as writing fiction. Whether you're a novelist or a screenwriter, you know that coming up with new ideas and characters can be a challenge. With ChatGPT, you can have new story ideas and character descriptions at your fingertips. The third capability you need to know about is answering questions. Have you ever had a burning question that you just couldn't find the answer to? Maybe it's a question about a product or service, or a question about a specific topic for your research or schoolwork. Whatever the question may be, finding the answer can be a frustrating and time-consuming process. But what if I told you that there's a way to get the answers you need in just seconds? Introducing ChatGPT, the large language model developed by OpenAI. One of its most powerful capabilities is its ability to understand and answer questions. With this technology, you can ask any question and get a detailed and accurate response in seconds. This capability can be incredibly useful for businesses and organizations. Imagine being able to provide quick and accurate answers to customer questions through a chatbot or virtual assistant, improving the customer experience and reducing the workload on human customer service reps. For students and researchers, the ability to quickly and easily find answers to their questions can save hours of time and make the research process much more efficient. ChatGPT can also be used for general knowledge and trivia, making it a great tool for playing games or just satisfying your own curiosity. The fourth amazing quality of ChatGPT is sentiment analysis. Have you ever wondered how people feel about your brand, product, or service? Or maybe you're a marketer, trying to understand how your target audience feels about a certain topic? Understanding the sentiment of your customers or target audience can be incredibly valuable, but it can also be a time-consuming and difficult task. That's where ChatGPT comes in. One of its powerful capabilities is its ability to determine the sentiment of a piece of text, whether it's positive, negative, or neutral. With this technology, you can quickly and easily understand how people feel about your brand, product, or service. For businesses, sentiment analysis can be incredibly useful for understanding customer satisfaction, identifying potential issues, and monitoring social media mentions. It can also be used to understand how your target audience feels about a certain topic, helping you tailor your marketing messages to their needs and preferences. Sentiment analysis can also be used in the political and social sphere to understand how people feel about certain events, leaders, or policies, and can help in decision-making, media monitoring, and crisis management. It can also be used in the personal level to understand how people feel about a certain topic, idea, or opinion. Have you ever wanted to communicate with someone who speaks a different language but don't have the skills to do so? Or maybe you're a business looking to expand your reach to a global market? Language barriers can be a major obstacle, but what if I told you that there's a way to break down those barriers in seconds? Introducing ChatGPT, the large language model developed by OpenAI. One of its most powerful capabilities is its ability to translate text from one language to another. With this technology, you can easily communicate with anyone, no matter what language they speak. For businesses, language translation can be incredibly useful for expanding your reach to a global market. With ChatGPT, you can quickly and easily translate your website, product descriptions, and marketing materials into multiple languages, making it easier for customers around the world to understand and engage with your brand. For travelers, language translation can be a lifesaver. With ChatGPT, you can easily communicate with locals, navigate unfamiliar places, and make the most of your travels. For students and researchers, the ability to quickly and easily translate documents and articles can save hours of time and make the research process much more efficient. Whether you're a content creator, a marketer, or a business owner, you know that the tone and style of your text can have a big impact on how it is received by your audience. But coming up with the right style for different situations can be a challenge. That's where ChatGPT comes in. One of the most powerful capabilities of ChatGPT is its ability to generate text in different styles. With this technology, you can easily create text that is formal or informal, serious or humorous, and much more. This can be incredibly useful for businesses and organizations that need to communicate with their customers in different ways, such as writing a formal email to a client or a casual message to a friend. For content creators, this technology can help you to generate text that is tailored to specific audiences and formats, such as writing a script for a video game, a movie, or a TV show. For students and researchers, the ability to quickly and easily generate text in different styles can save hours of time and make the research process much more efficient. Have you ever struggled to extract specific information, such as names, locations, and dates, from a piece of text? Or maybe you're a business looking to create customer profiles but don't have the time to manually input all the information? Named entity recognition can be a time-consuming and difficult task, but what if I told you that there's a way to automate this process in seconds? Introducing ChatGPT, the large language model developed by OpenAI. One of its most powerful capabilities is its ability to identify and extract specific information, such as names, locations, and dates, from a piece of text. This is called named entity recognition. With this technology, you can quickly and easily extract the information you need from any text, whether it's a news article, a social media post, or a customer review. For businesses, named entity recognition can be incredibly useful for creating customer profiles, monitoring social media mentions, and understanding customer sentiment. It can also be used for tasks such as filtering emails and extracting information from documents. For students and researchers, the ability to quickly and easily extract information from text can save hours of time and make the research process much more efficient. In conclusion, we hope you have enjoyed learning about the top 7 capabilities of ChatGPT, the large language model developed by OpenAI. We've discussed how ChatGPT can be used for text generation, language translation, text summarization, question answering, sentiment analysis, and text generation with specific styles. Each of these capabilities can save time, improve efficiency, and provide valuable insights for businesses, organizations, students, researchers, and individuals. If you found this video informative and useful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We will be posting more videos on the latest technology and how it can be used to make our lives easier and more connected. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.